Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week I'm planning the week of February 3rd through February 9th with a kit from Adorably Amy Designs. So let's go ahead and get started. So the kit I'm using this week is one of Amy's new Sweet and Simple kits, which is a little toned down, some simple shapes and colors, not as much clip art and everything like that. And this one is Absence of Color. Obviously it's all black and white. So this week I'm going to challenge myself. I really kind of want to focus on the more black and white with the white, less so the black ones, but we'll see how it goes in this week's plan with me. So this is the full kit, and this is page 1 of the kit. These are the full boxes. Over here we've got functional stickers, so meal plan sticker, weekend sticker, tons of icons, some different like word label type things, habit trackers, checklists, all of that sort of stuff. Date covers, which I don't know if I'm going to use yet or not. I think I might just leave them with the EC since it already is a black and white. Some washi strips, some functional stickers here, so event size and half size boxes, the full box checklist, another weekly sticker, some labels, meal plan stickers, and the rest. So I'm really excited about using this kit. I think it's gonna help me kind of feel that continuation from last week where things are a little bit more toned down. Of course, this is more intense color, it's a little bit more rich, but it's still very neutral. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and cover up this sticker here. Oh, actually, crap. I should have put workouts here because I forgot I have meal plan stickers in this kit. And look at that, because it's white, the whiteout looks perfect on it. So those are in. I do have my list of things over here. Wonder if I have, I'm gonna check something really quick. Okay, sorry, disappeared there for a minute. I was trying to see if I could find like a Ann Designs sticker that was a little bit more neutral, and I did, and I wanted it to be rather small and not take up too much space. So that's what was taking me a second. This emoji that says film, which is perfect because it's black and white, and that's exactly what we're doing. There's an activity at my son's school, so I'm gonna go to work, leave where I'm at, go to his school, and then go back to work that day. So it'll be a bit of a busy morning. And I think that's actually it for things that I know for sure are happening this week. Oh, actually, take that back. There is Fright Night on Monday. I don't actually have my meal plan figured out, so I'm going to leave that blank for right now. I put my productivity tracker here. I'll probably put a to-do list. Okay, so I added a sticker here. My coworker has lent me his copy of Rocket Man, which I actually wanted to watch this weekend. I'm filming this on the 2nd, the Super Bowl Sunday, but I had another movie I borrowed from the library that I needed to watch because it was coming due, so we watched that last night and it was kind of long, so we didn't get to watch Rocket Man, so hopefully he'll be okay with me borrowing it for another week so we can watch it next weekend. I went ahead and put some stickers down for my husband's schedule, which I need to get from him. I decided to do and to clean and kind of separate those two things. So to do will be things I need to work on for myself, and then obviously to clean will be things around the house. And those are kind of the bigger things. So now I'm gonna go in and put those full boxes. Okay, so this is pretty monochromatic, but the fun part is that there are some stickers from other shops that I was able to put in that still go really well with what I have here. I'm glad that I just left this because I think the day covers for what I have here would have been too busy, so I like that it's a little bit more simple. That's just my personal style a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these out really quick. Then I did pull a ton of washi, and I'm not sure what I'll decide to use. Some of them have gold foil, some of them are just black and white, and I just need to figure out what's gonna work for me and think that through. So let's see. I think I have a bigger version of this, so I'm gonna see if I can grab that really quick. It's just off to the side here. I grabbed some 10mm, or excuse me, 5mm, because I realized I didn't grab that. Okay, I'm gonna back up for a second so I can see what it looks like on camera. Is this too much? I feel like it kind of is. I feel like the black is more subtle in here, and I think I want to keep it that way. I don't know if I like that either. You guys are probably like, oh my god, just pick a washi. But I am really picky about what washi I use. Okay, so I'm gonna take out anything that has a gold foil in it, because if it has a gold foil in it, especially on the white, it's just not working for me. This I think I kind of like. It is very black, but I think there's enough white that it kind of balances it out. Okay, I really like it there. Okay, I like that. I do want to think about how I can balance the top a little bit. So, let's see. Okay, let me clean this up so I can see what's going on here. this is very different. I don't think I've ever done a monochromatic spread actually, so this is really exciting to do something a little bit different. And I love that it's a kit from Amy. I've mentioned this in all of my other plan with me's with her, but I am on the Adorably Amy PR team, and you can get 15% off your next order. I think of $10 or more with my code Cynthia15. So if you're interested in this kit, or you just want to check out her shop because you're intrigued, if you're a new viewer or haven't heard of her shop before, I do have a link below in the description and my code. So if you're interested, go ahead and place an order and save that 15% off. But I think that'll be it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, but I'll try to link everything here in the description. If you are new here, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. You can always give this video a thumbs up as well. If you are a regular subscriber, thank you for being here every single week with me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and with that, I will end this here, and I wish you a great week ahead. Have a great day.